Sugar paste and flour paste. Sugar paste is very versatile. Once kneaded, it's smooth, pliable and easy to colour, model and emboss with textures. It is also used to cover cakes. Sugar paste is too soft for delicate models and won't hold its shape, so professionals add gum tragacanth to make it more durable. Some brands call sugar paste rolled fondant or regal icing, which you can buy ready to roll from supermarkets. Flour paste is a form of sugar paste which is very elastic. It can be rolled out finely and dries very hard. It's ideal for creating flowers, leaves and models with fine detail. Decorations made with flour paste will last indefinitely if stored correctly. Flour paste is available from specialist cake decorating retailers and is sometimes called florist paste or petal paste, and the Americans call it gum paste. Flour paste can be mixed 50-50 with sugar paste to make a pliable but durable mixture, ideal for modelling.